Hello, welcome to Angular step-by-step course. Today we will discuss about the class binding. So Angular class binding is used to add or remove classes to and from the HTML elements. You can add CSS classes conditionally to the element, hence create a dynamically styled an element. So class binding is used to set the class properties of a view element. So we can add and remove the class names from an element's class attribute with the class binding. So practically we can see with an example. I will open the Visual Studio Code here. Here we can create div. In the div bind. So here we can use the class attribute. Attribute can be used class dot active. So and we can give some button also. In that button toggle active. Okay, then we can give some method here. This method click event toggle active. So when we clicked on this button, it will change the background color of the div element. So how can we do it? So here we can see is active boolean is active boolean and it is true. After that we can give toggle method toggle active method. In the toggle active method this dot is active equal to, and when we clicked on the button it will active, right? So we have given this line. You can give a return before that, and after that you can see you can style that active, right? So active. So I want to give a background yellow. So when I clicked on this, it will active, right? So background color yellow, or something green. So no need green. I want to give a red. Okay. So it will good to see. Then so we go to that. When I clicked on this background color will be changed, right? So what happened exactly? So here ts file is equal to boolean is also true. So yeah, I've given this is active, right? So then it will change. So when I clicked on this, it will, right? So the background color is showing after that. So the class attribute using like this. I will give some other example also for better understanding. Here I will give the input. Text and types text in this class dot error. So if is t is field empty and ng model. If you want to use ng model, you need to import HTTP module. Okay. Input value here. So here I have given placeholder. Enter a value. Okay. We can give some break tag here. Okay. So you can see. So here we can give input okay, and one more thing here, we need to give some others like yes. Right, from the TS file. The field done before use get. Input value. When we remove that word, you need to give dot error. So we can give an error color red. We will change this background to yellow. So here it's saying no need. Okay. So you can check. Here we can see here all this field. Okay. So when we use this, no need to. When we use get, we don't need to use the parentheses here. So in that TS file, we can give get. Okay. Then it will work exactly. Color red. So input value. Sorry, border. So we can give the border, right? Border OPX solid, right? Now it will work. Yes. If there is no value in the input, it will display the red color. Other than it will show black color. So yeah, it will help. I think it will help to you. So please subscribe and like.